Okay, so hello everyone, Sarvesh this side, and today in this video we are going to talk about Python variables. What is a variable? In Python, variables are simply names which are given to a certain data type. What are data types? Data types are divided into two categories. One is primitive and one is non-primitive. When we talk about primitive data types, it refers that they are built-in functions in Python. And for the first criteria, we are going to take as an integer data type, or simply it refers to int in JavaScript in Python. So let's take an example of a variable. Suppose we are giving a simple name to a certain number. Like we are giving one in strings to a number one and simply running it. So it is executed, and then we are adding a number to this one. We are adding 2 plus 1 3. So here we can see that when we are adding a simple integer of 2 with the one we have given, then it is been added and the answer is 3. But what will happen if we print the type of this one? So we have to print the type of one. When we print the type of one, for printing the type of one, we have to write the type function, type, and then uh, parenthesis. And when we see the class of this, class refers to the type, and it is an integer type of data type. So this is all for this video.